Hi, my name is Patrick Brennan, and we're going to be taking a look at my CLI Data Gem, which is named Rex, the movie recommendation bot. And what Rex does is pretty much exactly what it sounds like. Rex recommends movies to the user based on input of a streaming service and an optional genre of movies. So I have everything queued up here, so let's run it, see what happens. Okay, so the first thing that the program does is that it introduces itself and basically just gives a quick nutshell explanation of what it does. Just name the streaming service and genre if you like, and it'll give you a recommendation from the 30 most popular titles on the streaming service. Do we want a recommendation? Yes, we do. So the first thing it does here is it lists a series of the most popular streaming service. And then it gives you the option to either list all available streamers by typing list streamers, or you can just type in the name of the streaming service that you want to sift through. You can also end the program at any time by typing the word end as well. So let's say we want to see all of the streaming options. Streamers, here are all of these streamers available as of today. Could change tomorrow. Something could be invented, you know, right now, and then I could add it on later. Um, but this is what's available as of right now. So let's choose a streamer. Let's go with Netflix to start. So right now, the program is collating all of the data using Nokogiri and OpenURI to parse all the data of all of the different movies available on Netflix to give us this top 30. Okay, so now it gives us three options. Either list all of the 30 most popular movies on Netflix, list all the genres associated with those movies to help narrow down our choices, or just make a recommendation right off the bat. So let's choose option A to start. So here are the top 30 movies on Netflix. You want to recommend something from this list? Yeah, sure. Okay, so here's our recommendation, Thunder Force. So we're given the title of the movie, the year it was released, the genres associated with this movie. Now, fun fact about this is that now, if we were to choose a genre, which we'll take a look at a little bit later, this movie would be associated with either fantasy, science fiction, action adventure, or comedy. It could come up as a recommendation for any one of those genres. The program also gives us the movie's runtime and a quick plot synopsis. Below that, you'll see three different options to go from here. You could either ask for another recommendation by typing the word recommend. You could rerun the program from scratch, basically just to pick a new streamer by typing the word rerun, or you can end the program. So let's go with another recommendation. And here's another recommendation. Okay, let's say, you know what, I want to see what's on a different streaming service. So let's rerun. Okay, so it brings us back to the top, essentially. Let's see what's on Disney Plus. Now, this time I want to explore the different genres available on the streaming service. So I'm going to pick option B when that comes up. But right now it's collating all the movies that are on Disney Plus. Should be done in just a second. And here we go. So I'm going to type in option B. So here it gives us all the different genre options. So let's try animation. Let's see what comes up. Okay, so the first recommendation we get here is Inside Out. And so now I'm going to type in the word recommend again because I've seen that before. And so this time you'll see that it'll ask me if I want to stick with the same genre. Let's say yes. Okay, so now it gives me another recommendation. And okay, what if I hit recommend again and it tells me, it gives me the same prompt and I type no. Okay, well, it lists the genres again and I can pick a new one. Okay, I pick a new one and it gives me another recommendation. So let's say, let's try a different streaming service. I'll try Hulu. And from here, I will pick option C and see what happens. just going to get a random recommendation from the service. Okay, let's go with option C, see what we get. Prisoners. Okay, so that was our random recommendation from that. Okay, so let's say I mistyped something. So you know, let me go for yeah. So let me just type in just that, see what happens. Okay, so I created an error message anytime you mistype something, because this is a fairly case sensitive program. So if capitalization is off, if there's a space missing or too many spaces or something, the program will tell you, and um, you'll be given the option to rewrite what you have. So, but I think we've explored everything in this program. So I'm going to hit end, and it tells me to enjoy the movie. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed, and that'll be it. Okay, thank you.